Hello, my dear students of Standard 5. Good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine and stay safe at your own home. Students, welcome to your online class. Today I will take your GK book, Knowledge for You, book number 6, a book of general knowledge and IQ. Students, open your GK book, page number 9. This is your new chapter. Your new chapter name is Air Pollution. Students, let's start our discussion. Air pollutants are the substances that cause air pollution. Carbon compounds, sulfur compounds, nitrogen oxides, ozone, fluorocarbons, hydrocarbons, some metals, photochemical products, particulate matters and toxicants are major air pollutants. এয়ার পলিউশন মিন্স বায়ু দূষণ। বায়ু দূষণ কী কী পদার্থ থেকে হয় সেই পদার্থগুলো নিয়ে আমি তোমাদের ডিসকাস করলাম। Next, given below are some questions on air pollutants, their sources and effects. Answer them with the help of the given clues. এই এয়ার পলিউশনের কিছু স্টেটমেন্টস দেওয়া আছে, যেগুলো বিবরণ দেওয়া আছে, সেই বিবরণের ব্ল্যাঙ্ক জায়গাগুলোকে এই ক্লুগুলো দিয়ে তোমাদের ফিল করতে হবে। First, volcanic eruption, dust from desert and storm are natural air pollutants. Volcanic eruption ejects a large amount of gases and particulate matters. Can you name two kinds of particulate matters, ash and dust? Ash and dust, এই যে ছাই বা ধুলো ধোঁয়া থেকে, এগুলো থেকে কিন্তু আমাদের একটা এয়ার পলিউশন হয়, বিভিন্ন কলকারখানা থেকে যেগুলো বের হয়। Industries such as metallurgical plants and smelters, chemical plants, petroleum refineries, plum and paper mills and sugar mills are responsible for air pollution. Which part of the total air pollution is caused by these industries? 1/5. Besides pollen, which air pollutant is released by vegetation? Hydrocarbon. What are the major sources of gaseous pollutants like sulfur dioxide SO2 and nitrogen dioxide NO2? Petroleum refineries. To curb pollution from vehicles, we should use petrol without a certain substance. Can you name this substance? Lead. Where is the petroleum refinery that has been held responsible for the pollution related decay of the Taj Mahal in Agra and other historical monuments of Fatehpur Sikri complex located Mathura? What are the three pollutants whose elimination can be attained by improving the present design of engines to improve combustion? CO, NO2, hydrocarbons. A type of gas may also be used to vehicles in place of petrol. What is this gas called? CNG. Gases emitted from automobiles are very much responsible for air pollution. Gases emitted from automobiles are very much responsible for air pollution. The ever increased number of vehicles adds to the pollutants tremendously. Can you name the two main gases that come out from automobiles? CO2, CO. Thermal power stations are also major sources of air pollution. The pollutants that come from these plants are fly ash, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, aldehydes, etc. Can you name one more air pollutant that comes from a thermal power station? Hydrocarbon. In our country, attempts have been made to control air pollution through legislation. Given below are some such laws. Act match them with the years in which they were passed. অ্যাক্ট মিন্স আইন। এই আইনগুলোর সঙ্গে এই সালগুলো কোন ইয়ারে কোন আইনগুলো পাস্ট হয়েছিল সেগুলো ম্যাচ করতে হবে। বেঙ্গল স্মোকস Nuisance Act 1905, the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, the Environment Protection Act 1986, the Gujarat Smoke Nuisance Act 1963. স্টুডেন্টস, আজকে আমরা আরও একটা চ্যাপ্টার নিয়ে ডিসকাস করব। Students, today we are going to learn about another chapter of GK book. Chapter name is Man-Made Disaster. Disaster means durjog. Man-made disasters are those which are caused due to human errors, insufficient attention to safety measures, and the pressure to increase production. Road, rail, air, chemical, industrial spread of epidemics, nuclear disaster, etc. are man-made disaster. Disaster means durjog. Epidemics means mahamari. Next, answer the following questions taking help from the clue. যে কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো দেওয়া আছে সেগুলোর অ্যান্সার করতে হবে এই ক্লুগুলো দিয়ে। A great ecological disaster occurred when the armed forces of this country released approximately 8,16,000 tons of Kuwaiti crude oil into the environment, named the country Iraq. In 1986, the nuclear power station at a place of Ukraine developed some serious problems that led to a series of nuclear explosions. Although the immediate death toll was small, radioactive waste spread over a vast area. Where did this accident take place? Chernobyl. The most lethal smoke ever recorded lasted for 5 days in 1952. The thick smoke caused the death of about 4,000 people, mainly the elderly and children, due to bronchitis. Bronchitis means একটা শ্বাসকষ্টের রোগ. Where did this accident take place? London. The town is one of the most polluted industrial towns in the world. In these towns, the average life expectancy of men is 42 years and that of women is 47 years. Can you name these towns? Derrings. Can you name this town? Derrings. It was the worst coastal damage that occurred when a tanker ship spilled oil in the ocean. About 1,500 miles of the shoreline was affected, which included several national forest park and wildlife reserves. Can you name the tanker ships? Exxon Valdez. One of the worst oil tanker disaster happened when a ship, the Atlantic Express, collided with another in July 1979. Named the other ship Aegean Captain. One of the worst cases of river water pollution was recorded in November 1986 at the Sandoz Chemical Works in Basel. The firefighters who were battling a blaze threw about 29.5 tons of agricultural chemicals into a river. Can you name this river? Aral Sea. The biggest shrinkage of a lake is about 75% in volumes since 1960. This decrease in volume has increased was of the lake, making commercial fishing impossible. Can you name this lake? Rhine. Students, today we will discuss about air pollution and man-made disaster. Students, read attentively two chapters at home: air pollution and man-made disaster. That's enough for today. Thank you, student. Bye. Have a nice day. We will meet again in the next class. Take care.